Hello, my dear students of class 11 and 12. All of you are most welcome to my class today. However, how are you and what are you doing now in this critical session as we are passing a very hard situation? How is your study going on? I hope that everything is going well. Today we are going to start Unit 3, Lesson 1. Unit 3, Lesson 1, and our unit title or topic: What is the dream? What is the dream? The topic is very much interesting. Dream. Everybody dream. In this lesson, at the very beginning of the lesson, there are some words. These words, some of these words may be familiar to you, and some of these words may not be familiar to you. Now, let us learn the memory meaning of the words. So, first of all, look at the board here, color. What does it mean? Color. What's the memory meaning of color? Color means wrong, or born. Then the second one, nightmare. Nightmare. What does it mean? Nightmare. Nightmare means দুঃস্বপ্ন. Nightmare means দুঃস্বপ্ন. Then imagination. Imagination. What does the memory meaning of imagination? Imagination means কল্পনা. Then daydream. Daydream means দিবাস্বপ্ন. Daydream means দিবাস্বপ্ন. Romantic. Romantic means, what does it mean? Romantic means কাল্পনিক. কাল্পনিক or কল্পনা সমৃদ্ধ. Reverie. This is a new word. This word may not be familiar with you. Reverie means স্বপ্নলোকে হারিয়ে যাওয়া. That means in a dreamy state of mind and lost in yourself. This state of mind is called reverie. স্বপ্নলোকে হারিয়ে যাওয়া. স্বপ্নলোকে হারিয়ে যাওয়া. Silvery. This is a very familiar word. You know the meaning of the word. Silvery. Silver means rupa. Then silvery, rupali. আমরা বরাবরই এই শব্দটার সাথে পরিচিত. আমরা বলি রূপালী ইলিশ, রূপালী পর্দা. So রূপালী, then hallucination. Hallucination means দৃষ্টিভ্রম. মাঝে মাঝে খুব সুন্দর একটা সানি, ইফ দ্য ডে ইজ ভেরি সানি, রৌদ্রোজ্জ্বল একটা দিনে যদি পিচ ঢালা কালা রাজপথে আমরা হাঁটি, অনেক দূরে মনে হয় কেমন জানি রাস্তাটা ভেজে গেছে, চকচক করছে. এই যে আমরা দৃষ্টিটা ভুলে যাই, দৃষ্টিভ্রম হয়ে যায়, আমরা বুঝে উঠতে পারি না যে আসলে ওখানে কি হচ্ছে. কিন্তু যখন আমরা ওই জায়গায় গিয়ে পৌঁছি তখন কিন্তু আর তেমনটি মনে হয় না. এইরকম একটা অবস্থাকে বলা হয় হ্যালুসিনেশন, দৃষ্টিভ্রম. Then this is a very familiar word. You know what the meaning of the word. Shadow means ছায়াময়. Shadow means ছায়াময়. Dreaming. Dreaming, that means one who is dreaming. In such a situation, dreaming, স্বপ্নীল. Dreaming, স্বপ্নীল. Then dreamer. Dreamer means a person who dreams is called a dreamer. A person who dreams is called a dreamer. Dreamer means স্বপ্নচারী. A person who dreams is called a dreamer. Dreamer means স্বপ্নচারী. Then fragments, ভাঙা, খণ্ড. Fragments means খণ্ড. Fragments means খণ্ড. Then reality. It's a very familiar word. You know the meaning of the word. Reality, that means practicality. বাস্তবতা. Reality means practicality. And the Bengali meaning is বাস্তবতা. Pleasant means, this is also a very familiar word. সুখকর, আনন্দদায়ক. Pleasant, সুখকর, আনন্দদায়ক. Then haunting. This word maybe is not familiar with you. This is a new word. Haunting means ঘুরে ফিরে মনে আসা. That means in our childhood days we have some memories, and these memories again and again come to our mind, and sometimes this memory may be everlasting in our mind. That's why such memory, when this type of memory come back to our mind again and again, then this situation is called haunting. বারবার ঘুরে ফিরে মনে আসে. ঘুরে ফিরে মনে আসে. So, dear students, just while going through the text, while you will read the text every day, in every text you will get some new words like this. Just learning new words every day is not important to you. Everybody and every day learns some new words. But what happened? The next day he or she forget. But learning a new words and forgetting next day, then what is the benefit? Then there is no benefit for you. But learning a new word is not enough. Just try to keep the new words in your memory. Try to keep it in your mind. Only then it will be lasting in your mind when you will play with words. That means when you will get a new word, you will try to remember the word and play with words. That means with the particular new words, you will make sentence with the words. You will try to learn the Bengali meaning of the words. Try to look it up in the dictionary. Then you will catch the Bengali meaning. And if you try to make a sentence, one or two sentences with the word, only then you will be able to remember the new word. Only then it will be effective. Otherwise, every day you will learn some words, and next day you will forget. Then it will not bring to any benefit to you. Now we are discussing, our title is what is dream, and there are some words: color, nightmare, imagination, reverie, hallucination, dreaming. All these words are related to dream. Do you know? All these words are related to dream. Somehow these words are related to dream. Now I am going to ask you some questions, and we will have to write the answer of these questions. Try to write the answer of these questions of your own words. Don't try to copy it from any book actually. Try to write the answer in one words. What is a dream? What is a dream? First question is, what is a dream? What do you mean by dream? What do you understand by dream? Dream is a state of our mind. Dream is a state of our mind. It is the images or state of our mind or feelings which come to our mind or which happen to our mind when we are asleep or when we sleep. This state of mind is called dream. Then come to the next question. Do you have any dream or you don't have any dream? Is there anybody in the world who has no dream at all? I think everybody has a dream. I have also a dream of my own. You have also a dream of your own. In this way, everybody, maybe he is poor, he is rich, he is honest, he is dishonest, but everybody has a dream. Then what will be the answer of this question? Do you have any dream? Yes, the answer of this question we can say, yes, I have a dream. I have a dream to be a doctor, to be an engineer, to be a dramatist, or to be an administrator, to be a politician, or many more. You can have a lot of dreams. Yes, I have a dream. I want to be an engineer, I want to be a doctor, I want to be a teacher, and many more. I want to be actor, I want to be hero or heroine, like this. Then third question is a dream real or unreal? Is the dream real or unreal? But according to my point of view, a dream is unreal. A dream is unreal because a dream has no connection. While you dream, it has no connection with the practicality of our life. Dream has no connection with the normal part of our life. That's why I think a dream is unreal because it has no connection with our practical life. Just we dream at night or by day, but at the very early in the morning, but next day we forget what happens to our mind. But sometimes we can also remember some part of our dream, but we can remember the whole dream. Then, question number D. Is there any relation between dream and action? What do you think? Is there any relation between dream and action? Or there is no relationship between dream or action? So, I think there is of course a close relationship between dream and action. The connection or relationship is that people first dreams, then they try to take action. First of all, people dream, then they try to run after his dream, then they try to fulfill his dream, then they try to come to his dream true. That's why there is a close connection. Of course, there is a close connection between dream and action. The connection is that people first dream, then try to fulfill their dream, and going to fulfilling their dream, they can do anyone. Then the last question is that who is the dreamer? Who is the dreamer? Do you like a dreamer? Who is the dreamer? Do you like a dreamer or not? Who is the dreamer? Who is the dreamer? The person who dreams, or a person who dreams is called a dreamer. The person or a person who dreams is called a dreamer. Then the next part of the question, do you like a dreamer? or not. You may like a dimmer or you may not like a dimmer. It depends up to you. But from my point of view, I want to say that of course I like a dimmer. I like a dimmer because the person who dreams, he runs after his dreams. He runs after his dream. Why he runs after his dream? He runs after his dream to fulfill his dream. He wants to make his dream come true. That's why a person who dreams, he always run after his dream and finally make his dream come true. And he finally try to reach the destination of his life, destination of his dream. So dear students, you will try to write down the answer of this question, of course, of your own words. Then you will be able to learn how to write properly, how to answer properly short questions. And as we are passing a very hard time, corona critical situation, so my advice to you is that don't try to move outside home if not necessary. If necessary, then of course you will go outside home, but don't forget to use your face mask. Don't neglect to use face mask because the critical situation we are facing, the situation is not favorable to us. That's why, of course, you will use face masks and try to be connected with your elders, your relations, your teachers. Any kinds of problem, maybe it is personal or familiar, you will try to connect with me and I will try to solve your problem. So, stay well and try to see you next class.